welcome back to the channel. My name is Abby. We out here in Pacific City, Cape Kiwanda, not the Pacific City, Huntington Beach, California one, the Oregon one. This one is actually pretty well known for surfing. People are surfing here all year round, and that's what we're gonna try to do today. My siblings and I are going to rent boards and go surfing all day today.
Okay, I'm gonna take goodbye. None of you.
Janine, do you have any words of wisdom for us?
Don't drown. Can someone grab
Any real words of wisdom?
No, I don't know how to surf. Just don't do that. Use words and do have some phrases.
So we made it. We're already kind of tired just carrying him over here, so we're not athletic. Kind of past the breakers, not really. Bethany and Damatis. So we got used to the water with our suits. Me and Nathan and Becky are getting used to it because we have 3 boards and we're swapping on and off. But it is cold and way stronger than I thought it would be. Like, I knew it was strong, but check it out. So they're right there. But even right there, you feel like it's gonna suck you back into the ocean. Like, it's pretty strong. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and play. See ya. Where she kind of got it. Bethany's honestly struggling really bad.
She what?
She's struggling. No, I mean, I can barely hold the board. Oh, she got it! She got it!
Okay. Well, that's something.
Okay, I'll be honest with y'all. I'm still in my wetsuit. It's like down around my waist. How to break the news? We're not that good. Number one, but it is hard, not because the ocean tries to beat you up, but it's hard because every time you fall, the salt water gets in my mouth and my face almost every single time. Like, I swallow it, even when my mouth is closed, I still get salt water inside. So I've taken some really nasty falls so far, boarding for about an hour, and I feel like we're all kind of getting the hang of it, which is good. But now we're really tired because we all wiped out multiple times. So it's been rough.
It's the fam. Don't think I could ever be a mermaid. Let's just say that.
Did it hurt as bad? Did it hurt as bad as you thought it would?
I had bruises on weird parts of my body. Yeah.
Becky, what did you think?
Oh, very fun. I love hitting my head on the ground. So fun.
You look like a corpse.
It was fun, but I'm like, why did we pay $60 to have the ocean beat us up?
Exactly.
That's what I'm wondering.
Exactly.
But then when you do ride a wave, I was getting really pissed. That's when I realized why people do it and why it's so much fun, because it was super fun. And then I got super seasick and I gagged. I'm the only one that got seasick surfing. I didn't know that was a thing.
No, I kind of did too, because, okay, we were idiots. What we did was we got past the break, whatever you call it. We did that at the very beginning. So we paddled like mad, got past the break, and it was dumb stupid of us because we were tired in the very beginning, and I got a little bit seasick too, so we both got kind of seasick.
Yeah.
Because, like, you worked so hard to get past it too, and then you're rocking out on the ocean there, and it's like, oh,
but you're supposed to just stay at your waist level when you first start and just go paddle and hit them as much as you can, get as many as you can.
Abby's version of a shower. So you're done. You're not gonna take a shower now, right? Now you're clean.
Good, man. I'm gonna sleep out here on the board. First thing, cry me down tomorrow. Hit the waves, catch some tubes. You know how it be. Hey, y'all, we are back. It was rough. Can you tell? Look at my hair. Look at my face. Look at the bruises on my body that aren't going to appear until much later. Emmy's taking a shower. I'm about to hop in. I've been in the sweatsuit for around 6 hours. I want to get out of it. This is the one that I wore to the waterfall, and it actually works really well. This one is a 4.3 millimeter. Theirs are a little bit thicker, the ones that they rented, and they are a 5.4 millimeter. So both of them work for the Oregon coast. I would have maybe wanted to have a little bit thicker because I did get really, really cold. Then because we were falling so much, I'm not even gonna try to lie, because we were falling so much and being tossed around and fighting the waves and the world and the universe and your board, you kind of warm up because of the anger inside. I think the thing that maybe surprised me the most was all the salt water in your mouth. I swear I was closing my mouth and I would get so much water in my mouth. It was disgusting because it makes you feel sick and like you want to throw up and you gag and you cough. So I would come on shore after 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour, whatever, take a break and basically just hack up all the seawater that I swallowed and then go back out and do it again. So the seawater was nasty. We also had a short break where we were just playing in the waves with our wetsuits and pretending we were at like a wave park, at a water park, and that was really fun, honestly. Not having a board to hit you in the mouth. I've redone this like 3 times because the lighting is so bad. Did we catch waves? Yes, but probably more waves caught us. Hey everybody, welcome back. It is the next day. So things went pretty well. I think that we did learn a lot, and if we were going 2 days or even 3 days in a row, we would have been doing a lot better today, just with everything that we learned yesterday. Mainly how to fall correctly and not get too hurt. I feel like that's what I learned mainly yesterday. I do feel really sore in my neck. Like I can look this way. Yesterday I couldn't even turn my head to the right, so that kind of sucked because when I was paddling out and waiting for waves, I could look to my left, but I couldn't really look to my right because of my neck. But other than that, I'm not really sore like on my legs or anything like that. I do feel my calves too. So my calves and like my shin area and my neck. Other than that, I don't have bruises appearing yet, but I'm sure I'm gonna have a ton of bruises everywhere because the board kept hitting me like in my hip and my thigh, and it did smack me in the face once or twice. It's a lot of work, falling all the time. It's not that easy though. Hey y'all, welcome back. Oh man.
Like you have like
It was like a wild dog on a leash.
You look like you have a trauma blanket or something.
It is a trauma blanket. Hey y'all, pull your thing like more around your bra. Just yeah. I feel like a lot of what we were doing, we don't really know if it was wrong or right. We just know what hurt and what didn't. Family friendly. Wait, so say it again. Pointers, we're not even good.
Like basically how to not die.
How to not die? I don't know. I feel kind of dead,
Oh,
honestly.
you almost drowned.
I did.
What happened?
I looked to the side and there was like